inclusive social development of the coastal area of Ogan Udik Village, Indramayu, through the poverty alleviation social assistance program by Vera Nusidarta and Weni Maya Arlena. Rural poverty is multidimensional as are access to education, healthcare, and employment. In coastal village, vulnerability is high due to reliance of small-scale fishing and informal employment. Landfill social assistance often trigger conflict if recipient determination is not participatory and transparent. Village fund-based social protection program require social legitimate through inclusive governance, namely village deliberation. Basic purposes analyze how inclusive social development in Papian Putik village is achieved through the governance of property, alleviation, social assistance, or VLTDD with a focus on village deliberation and village aid leadership. The question, how does the village head communicative leadership mobilize participation and build legitimacy? How are village deliberation used to fairly and transparently determine the LTDD recipient? What accountability mechanism mitigate social conflict in aid targeting? Inclusive decisions are shaped by three interrelated elements to generate legitimacy and trust. Communicative leadership, deliberative forum, accountable governance. Basic method qualitative descriptive with a constructivism and single case. Unit of analysis village deliberation mechanism for determining LT recipient and aid governance practice. Data source in deep interview with a village and RT head. Observation in deliberative forum and documentation document from analysis related to social assistance regulation. Inclusive is a produce through governance process, not just the distribution of funds. One data and authority, central database, and local realities translated into administrative category. Formal BLTDD and assistance quota. 8 quotas as a fairness and conflict management strategy. 3. Village deliberation area of legitimacy, verification, consolidation, and validation. For verification and documentation, photo, evidence of the house. And 5. Social dynamic, marking house with trigger a stigma of envy. Rhythm of the inclusive deliberation is initial identification, central data, and RT proposal, screening by RT head, and the most vulnerable household choice, verification through village derivation, documentation, and determining of aid recipients. Maintain central data versus knowledge, producer of justice, and substantive justice when property is widely perceived, targeting is easily questioned. The quality of visibility, marking attrition with sticker and stigma sticker, allows and collective moral claims, communication implication, clear policy rationality. Narrative is needed regarding the criteria for aid recipient. Two-way dialogue and conflict mediation are part of the implementation accountability design that maintains citizen dignity. The studi proposal inclusive social development framework or vertical process are supported by governance and legitimate movement, and the bottom line inclusive and accountable iterative process with communication that maintain dignity. Conclusion and recommendation. Conclusion: the success of BTT is not solely determined by the amount of fund and accuracy of administrative target. Pengabdian udik inklusif is achieved through communicative leadership, village revision, and auditable documentation. Managing the social meaning of aid to avoid stigma, maintain legitimacy, and reduce conflict. Practical recommendation: strengthen the communication capacity with village leaders. Institution regular documented deliberation involving the RT, PPT, and community representative. Use traceability, accountability tool that protect the dignity of recipient. Thank you.